Yes, students, in SHM motion, total energy equation is half k square, and k is m times of omega square. Omega is the angular velocity, omega is 2 pi by t, and a is the amplitude. Kinetic energy, that is half k a square minus y square, and a is m times of omega square. And potential energy half k y square, that is half k is m times of omega square, and this is the value of the y. So under these relations there is a question. Question is, this is 1 kg mass body and it is oscillating. Under the equation this, under the condition of this equation, find the kinetic energy, and that is maximum kinetic energy. You must find maximum kinetic energy at the main position. At the main position, there is a equation of kinetic energy at main position, y is 0. So this implies you have to tell half k a square, y is 0. From this equation, it is known that amplitude is 6. So this is half k means m times of omega square and a square. A value is 6. Omega is, from this equation, this is the omega 100. This is general equation relative with this will be, this equation will be x equal x naught cos omega t plus pi by 4. So this is the amplitude, and this is omega. So omega is 100, and this is the phi naught. Phi naught is pi by 4. So there is no need of the phi naught, but need of the omega, and omega correspond to 100. So you write 1 kg 100, omega is 100, and amplitude A is 6, but it is given in centimeter. So in place of A, you must write A equal 6 out of 100. It is now in meter, because then it will become in MKS system in joules. Try your best. Okay. Please see if any doubt clear to me. And next question. In this case, there is a question, that is 8 kg mass body is doing SHM motion. At amplitude, in this question, amplitude is 30 centimeter, and at the displacement of 30 centimeter at this point, restoring force is 60 Newton. This is restoring force. Restoring force is 60 Newton. So you have to find time period, potential energy, and kinetic energy. Potential and kinetic energy at x equal 12 centimeter. So you know it very well. Time period t equal 2 pi, omega equal 2 pi by t. Omega is 2 pi by t. As you may write, omega equal 2 pi by t. So t equal 2 pi by omega. So t is 2 pi by omega, and 2 pi and omega is root m by k, m by k. In this 2 pi, mass is given 8 kg, and k is force per unit displacement. So at 30 centimeter displacement, force is 60 Newton. So k is 60 force, k is 60 by 30 centimeter. So this is in 0.3 in MK system, and Newton is in MK system. So this upon mass is 8 kg. This is the answer of time period. Potential energy at x equal, potential energy is half k a square at 12 centimeter, k y square, and that is half m times of omega square. Omega is known to you, 2 pi by t. In this, so you have got time period, and omega is root m by k. Root m by k value you know, omega you substitute mass is given, this is, and kinetic energy at x equal 12 centimeter, so that is half in this y square, and y equal you write 12 centimeter. Kinetic energy, that is half k a square minus y square. In this a is 30 centimeter, y is 12 centimeter, and k is m times of omega square. That's you know. So in this way, in this process we have to find answer. Okay. Our next question is that in this there is a m mass body, it is oscillating. This is the main position. Amplitude A is given and kinetic energy is given 8 into 10 power minus 3 joules. And initial phase angle 45 degree. So you have to find equation of motion. Equation of motion, that is y equal a sin omega t plus phi naught. This is to represent under these conditions. That is the y equal a amplitude is given. This is given sin omega. So omega is not given, but what is given? Kinetic energy. This implies with the help of kinetic energy we will find the omega. Omega t will find from the kinetic energy. Omega t m plus phi naught. So omega t plus phi naught 45 pi by 4. So this is to find, and we'll find out of this. So it is given kinetic energy at the main position. This is the maximum. Kinetic energy at the main position. This is the maximum. Maximum at the main position, kinetic energy is maximum. This is the question. The kinetic energy is maximum at the main position, and this is equal to half k a square. In this half kinetic energy equal half k is m times of omega square and a square. Mass m is given. This is kinetic energy is given. Let kinetic energy is E. This is the E, and this is given, and half mass m is given, and omega is to find, and a is given. So this is to find, and a is given. So you will find omega from this, and you will substitute value over here. So t will be function. So in this, from this you have got omega. You have got this. This is y equal. This is given. Omega you have got from where, and this is given. You have got the equation. This way you will write the equation. Okay. Best of luck. Please, if you have any doubt out of these equations and these questions, yeah, please inform me. I'll try my best. I'll try my best to provide you the best knowledge. Okay, and please subscribe and transport these videos to your friends too. Okay, best of luck.